How to fix Messenger not sending photos on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of photos not sending on Messenger. First, check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as a weak connection is one of the most common reasons photos fail to send. After that, go to your home screen and long press on the Messenger app icon. From there, tap on App Info to open the app details. At this point, tap on Permissions and make sure that Photos, Media, and Files permission is set to Allow, so Messenger can access your gallery. In the next step, go back to the App Info screen and tap on Storage. Following this, tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be blocking photos from sending. Once done, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. From here, search for Messenger and check if an update is available. If so, tap Update and wait for it to finish installing. At this stage, open Messenger again and try sending a photo to see if the issue has been resolved. After this, if photos are still not sending, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, as sometimes the network type can affect media sending. Once completed, also check if the issue is happening in all chats or just one specific conversation, as the problem could be related to that particular chat. Finally, if none of the above steps work, uninstall and reinstall Messenger from the Play Store to give the app a completely fresh start. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Messenger not sending photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.